Hello, my dear students. This is Surbhi Agrawal, and today again I am here to teach you one story, which is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. This story is for class 4. But first of all, as you know, you have to subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start. Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Children, firstly tell me, how many of you have watched the movie of Aladdin? Various movies have been made on this story, cartoon films also. Raise your hands, those who have seen. Okay, so those who have not seen, you will learn about Aladdin through this video. Firstly, let's learn these difficult words with their correct meanings. First word is treasure, which means collection of valuable objects. Next word is disappoint, which means sad or unhappy. Summon means order a person to come to a place. Horrify means scare someone. Scare means you are frightening someone. Okay? And the last word is refuse, means to decline, means you are saying that no, I don't want to do this. You are refusing to do a certain thing. Okay? Now, let's come to the story. So, this story is about a little boy, Aladdin, who was used to live with his mother in a country. They were very poor. Okay, now one day a stranger came to his mother, and the name of the stranger was Mustafa. Okay, and he told his mother that I am Aladdin's uncle and I want to take him along with me and I want him to earn money. Okay, and then Aladdin's mother said, okay, you can take Aladdin along with you. Now, now Aladdin did not want to go along with him. Okay, Aladdin did not wanted to go. He was thinking that he's trying to fool him. Okay, Mustafa is trying to fool him. That's why Aladdin did not want to go. But Aladdin's mother forced him, so he agreed. Now they both walked for one day and finally they have reached to a cave. Okay, they have reached to a cave. Then Mustafa ordered Aladdin that you go inside and you will find lot of treasure. Okay, you will find lot of treasure. And Aladdin said that Aladdin was feeling that he is telling a lie, nothing will be there. Now Mustafa told Aladdin to go inside and you will find lot of jewels and you have to trust me. And Mustafa said, you can keep all the jewels, all the gems with you. I just want an old lamp. Okay, I just want an old lamp. Then Aladdin went inside the cave. And what he has seen? He has seen lot of treasure, a lot of treasure inside. And in that treasure, he has found a ring and finally he has found an old lamp. Okay, two things he has found, a ring and an old lamp. Ring he has wore in his hand, and then the lamp was little bit dirty. Okay, the lamp was little bit dirty. Now Mustafa said that just give me this lamp and I need it. Rest of the things you can keep it with you. Then Aladdin said that I will not give this thing to you. Then Mustafa got very angry and he said that if you will not give me this lamp, I will leave you here only. Now Aladdin, as I have told you that Aladdin was having that lamp and the lamp was very dirty. But Aladdin was not knowing that that lamp was a magical lamp. Okay, and what he did, he rubbed the lamp to clean the dust, and suddenly what happened? A genie appeared in front of Aladdin. And you know what the genie said? He said that I am granting you three wishes. Okay, and you can ask for whatever you want. Now the first wish of Aladdin was that he wanted to go back to his home. He wished the genie that please take me back to my home. And the genie fulfilled his wish. Now, later on, Aladdin rubbed his ring also, and another genie appeared in front of him. And he asked enough gems and gold from that genie so that he can be rich and he can live happily ever after. Okay, then the second genie also provided all the gems, all the gold to the Aladdin. Now Aladdin and his mother lived happily. Now one day Aladdin has seen Sultan's daughter. And what was the name of Sultan's daughter? Yasmin. And she was very pretty. And Aladdin wanted to marry Yasmin. Okay, Aladdin wanted to marry Yasmin, but Yasmin's father means Sultan. Sultan was having one condition that you need to have a big palace like I am having. As Sultan was very rich, so he asked to Aladdin that you have to take one palace. Okay. Now that night Aladdin reached his home and he rubbed his lamp again. Then the genie appeared and the genie said that what is your second wish? Then what was Aladdin's second wish? Obviously he will ask for a palace. So he wanted a big palace like Sultan's and his wish got fulfilled. The next morning the jinn provided him a huge palace. Then Sultan agreed and they both married. Everyone was very happy with this news. Now later on, Mustafa got this news that Aladdin has become very rich and he's having a very big palace. He's married also. His wife is very beautiful. Now, Mustafa got very jealous. Now, one day he waited that Aladdin should not be at his home and I will go and steal his lamp. Now, one day when Aladdin was not at his home, he went to the window of Yasmin and told that give me the old lamp and I will provide you the new lamp. Okay, he was trying to be very clever now. He wanted the old lamp and he told Yasmin that I will give you the new lamp in exchange. Now Yasmin also thought that this old lamp is very ugly and so I will exchange it. I will exchange it with the new one. Now, and she did this also. She gave the old lamp to the Mustafa and she has taken the new one. Then Mustafa became very happy and as soon as he got the lamp, he rubbed it. And when he rubbed it, what appeared in front of him? A jinn. A genie appeared in front of him and he told Mustafa that you are having 3 wishes. Now, what was Mustafa's wish? His wish was that take me, Yasmin, and the palace far away from this place so that Aladdin cannot reach us. Okay, his wish was to take all these things from Aladdin and take us far away from here. And Jinn fulfilled his wish. And when Aladdin came back to his house, he found that nothing was there. He could not find Yasmin also. He could not find the palace also. Then he rubbed his ring. Then the second jinn came in front of him and he wished that please take me to Yasmin. Okay, he was very worried and he asked that please take me to Yasmin. And the genie fulfilled Aladdin's wish. And when Yasmin saw Aladdin after that, she became very happy. And after that, they both made a plan to befool the Mustafa. Okay. And what was the plan? Yasmin said that when he will fall asleep, who? When Mustafa will fall asleep, she will steal this old lamp from Mustafa and hand it over to Aladdin. Okay. And she did the same. When Mustafa fell asleep, she has taken the lamp from him and handed it over to Aladdin. And when Yasmin took the lamp and gave it to Aladdin, he quickly rubbed it and called the genie. Now, genie told that this is your last wish and you have to be very careful. And what was Aladdin's last wish? That please take me back to the same city and turn Mustafa into a frog. Means he said that I want each and everything whatever I was having earlier. Okay, please take me back to my place, to my palace with Yasmin along with everything and convert this Mustafa into a frog so that he cannot harm us. Okay, and the jinn did the same thing. So they returned back to the same place and everything went back to normal. And when all the wishes were fulfilled, means when they were not having more wishes, they returned the lamp and the ring to the cave and they all lived happily ever after. So did you understand the story? Very good. Now, here I have one small activity for you. Who said to whom? Okay, here I have given you some statements and you have to tell that this statement is given by whom and said to whom. First one, I only want you to find an old lamp for me and I will pull you out of the cave. Now, who has given this statement? This statement was given by Mustafa. Okay, very good. Mustafa said this statement to Aladdin. Very good. Now the second one, give me enough gems and gold so that we can be rich till the end of our lives and longer. Now, who has given this statement? This statement was given by Aladdin and he was asking this. Okay, this is a wish he is asking from Genie. Very good. Okay, next one. Take me and Yasmin and the palace far away from here where Aladdin can't reach us. Now, whose wish is this? This wish was of Mustafa, okay? He did not want Aladdin to reach. And to whom he is asking from? From Genie. Very good. And the last one, you can marry her if you have a palace like mine. So, who has put this condition? You can marry her if you have a palace like mine. This condition was put by Sultan. Who was Sultan? Sultan was Yasmin's father. And to whom he has said? He has said this to Aladdin. Okay? So, I hope you all have understood the story. Thank you.